Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today we have a very exciting video because we are continuing our Kardashian Jenner series where I unbox used clothes from them and I pay a ridiculous amount of money for them. But today, best for last, we have Miss Khloe Kardashian. Okay, she's probably not the last because I'm probably going to do Kris Jenner, hey girl, hey, as well. You guys have really been into that and requesting that. You guys have also been requesting I do Scott Disick for Tyler, so we might be doing that. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts.
I'd be down. I need some new Scott Disick clothes. He's got fashion.
He does got fashion. He's got swag.
He
Also, I have to say this in every video, but we are donating to charity, my darlings. We are donating to charity. So a lot of these clothes at the very end of the series, when we finish it off, I'll list a bunch of these clothes, sell them, and donate the money to charity. Yeah, with that being said, we are ready to jump right into this video and test out, inspect, try on, maybe even sniff some of Khloe's clothes. I love her so much. I love her, love her, love her on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. She's definitely my favorite to watch. She's like the realest baddie ever, and I just love her energy. I love her vibe on the show. I'm sure she's somewhat similar in real life since she's been filming it. How many years? I don't even remember how many years they've had the show, but it's a long time. And I just really like her. I feel like we would get along well. I really do. So Khloe, you know, I'm not really taking applications for a new best friend, but if you want to be a friend in general, call me. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, so you're probably like, did she buy a Kylie lip kit? I did not. But there is, don't trip, Kylie lip kit inside, and let me explain why, because Ty's looking at me like I'm crazy. So there's a note. Khloe had written me this note because, just kidding. I was trying to come up with a story and I have nothing.
in you.
Oh, were you? I'm good. Not really. Okay, so basically she mixed up the name brand of one of the pieces. So she was like, you know, this item should have been a little cheaper. Let me give you some money back. And I was like, yeah, no problem. I don't care. So she had corrected the brand, refunded me some of my money, and she also threw in a little lip. But, oh, I hit myself with it. A little lip. I was like, I'm sorry, we had that little mess up. It said, Laura, thank you again for your order and understanding the mix up. Yeah, enjoy, best Cece. It's signed off Cece, and I think they have an aunt named Cece, so I think their aunt is running this company. I'm not kidding, which I love that. Family business. Keep it in the family, I guess, huh? Okay, so we are finally going to dive in. By the way, this color looks real pretty. Real pretty for fall. Let's go ahead and pull out the first item. Shower. Boo. I feel like a Sanderson sister.
It is but water.
Okay, Khloe's stuff. Let me pull the prices. I always forget to do that. All right, I have the prices pulled up. We are opening our very first piece that I pulled out of the top of the box. So let's go ahead and rip her open. Ooh, okay, I already really love the colors. So this is Cotton Citizen is the brand. How pretty is this shirt? It's very simple. It's just a plain gray shirt. This one is a size small that I got, and it has the tags on the first item, so I definitely don't think it was worn by her. Yeah, so let's see what I paid for it. I paid $160 for this plain shirt. For this plain little shirt. What? You can get this at Target. Guess that makes me the crazy one here, but it is a very pretty shirt. I don't own anything from this brand, so I'm not really familiar with them. Cotton Citizen, you guys might be a little more familiar with them. The sweatshirt feels like a really thick, nice quality. I mean, I'm not gonna deny that or anything, but honey, that was a lot of money. It also is a size small. She never wore it, so there's that. And I also don't see any markings on it, so it's definitely like a brand new piece from her. I do love it a lot, and we'll be trying it on for you guys in just a second.
Do you think that they get some of this stuff for free and just...
I do, actually. I think pieces that they, which I don't actually agree with. Like, I would never, ever sell my PR that I get, ever. I think that's super bad taste. But, I mean, this may not be the case. Like, the designers, I'm sure, like, give, well, I guess that's PR too.
Yeah, it's still gifting. It's PR.
Yeah, but, like, I can't judge them because it's like, what if that's not the case? What if they just buy a bunch of shit and don't wear it, you know? What do you guys think about that? Like, you can't like say that this was given to them because we don't actually know that. But I've seen a lot of comments assuming that, and for me, I would never do that. You know, but to each their own.
Second question.
All right, I'm ready.
Do you think anyone of the Kardashians have seen these videos?
I kind of feel like someone has probably said, hey, this girl's making these videos. But I don't know. They haven't reached out. Every time I order something, they're really sweet. So, I don't know, actually. Okay, third question.
When are you going to get paid by the Kardashians for this?
Here's the thing about that. I am blessed enough to have my subscribers that will watch the ads in the videos, which I really appreciate that. A lot of you guys will comment and be like, girl, I watched the ads. So thank you for that. I try to keep my content interesting. This series is super expensive. Yes. Next item I am pulling out. We are ready to open. Woo! What is this? Okay, this is a Rick Owens tank top dress. It has no tags. No size tags? Fits like a small. Okay. Oh, I see. It has no size. It really doesn't. Like, do you see this? There's no size. You guys can see the little top. And then it's just like a little thin cotton dress. Again, this is a simple piece. This one I paid. Ty, are you ready for what? Jesus. Are you ready?
What?
$195.
Oh! I promise you can get thicker shirts than that.
Well, yeah, for sure. Actually, the brand, oh my God, guys, it has a tear in it. I can't make this up. This was definitely worn. Ty, can we get a zoom?
You can get a zoom.
Oh, guys, it's ripped. Look at the dress. It has a rip in it. Ooh. It definitely smells like it's been at somebody's house. This item has definitely been worn. There's little pieces of a white dog fur on it. Do you want to zoom in? Some fuzzies, some white dog fur. Do you see right here? Ooh, little inspection. I think the dress is cute. It's something I would definitely wear for $195. Probably not so much. And it has a rip in it. So, yeah, this is probably a dress that Khloe loved to have and loved to wear a good bit. It does look a bit worn. Like, it looks like it's been washed a few times, if that makes sense. And it has a little tear in it. So, interesting. So, this is definitely a used piece from Miss Khloe Kardashian. That's her last name. Okay, our next item. Let's rip it open and see what's inside. Oh my gosh. So this piece I specifically picked. By the way, I think Khloe out of all the sisters has like probably the most stuff on there. Kendall also has a lot on there. This item was by far the most expensive. It was a lot. And it's by Perla. Now I have heard of Perla before. I don't own anything by them. And if you don't know what they are super, I have indigestion. They are super fancy like lingerie, robes, loungewear line, but super expensive. So yeah, I was like, okay, here's the kicker. We don't have to find something with it that's a similar price on this because it still has the price tag on it. So this was originally $939 for a robe. I told you it was expensive. I wasn't kidding. And no, I do not own their stuff. Not my style. I like their style of stuff. Not my style to pay $1,000 for a robe. Just not me. This I paid $450 for. So it's half the price and it's brand spanking new. So honestly, like, yes, $450 is still too much for a robe, but for the La Perla branding and like if you want it like a designer piece, this would be a great way to get it. It says on the description it comes with a tag, so you would know what you're getting is new. So this one was a better deal. Now this robe is super stunning. It has like lace. Like look at this detailing. It's like pretty crazy on the robe how like beautiful it is. It definitely smells like somebody's home. And yeah, it's just a white button down, lacy detailed, collared La Perla robe. They called it a robe, but I think you could also wear it by the pool as like a little shawl or something like that. But yeah, this is like next level. And by the way, I got it in a medium. But yeah, so guys, this is like my most expensive piece that I bought from Khloe. She had a lot of expensive pieces on there, but
I have a feeling that's gonna look like a nightgown.
Totally. I think it might supposed to be like a It's supposed to look fancy, darling. So I can't wait to try it on. To be quite frank with you, I'm scared to even touch it because I don't want to get it dirty. My brain froze. Ooh, let me put it back in the box. Okay, guys, we are on to our last item. I bought all clothing from Miss Khloe Money. Miss Khloe Money. Ooh. Let's open her up. Our last piece also has the tags on it. This is a little just thin woven tank top. I think it's really cute. It's by Inhabit. The price was originally $130. And yeah, it's a size small and it's just 100% cotton. Little tank top that you could definitely find at Target for $10, $5. But it is cute. It looks like the Inhabit brand. Again, this is a brand that I'm not that familiar with, so I don't really have anything from Inhabit. But let's give it a smell. Yeah, it smells like it definitely, like, what I'm trying to say is it doesn't smell like it was in a store. It smells like it was in a home. So I do feel like this is really a piece from her home. And yeah, just looking at it, looking it over, it looks brand spanking new. I'm like looking for marks. Nothing is on it. The only thing that's super used is our little black dress that we bought. So I'm going to be further inspecting and giving you guys like really good close-ups of everything so you can catch the vibe. I'll give you a really good close-up of the black dress as well. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you what I paid for the pink tank top. My goodness. For the tank top, I paid, guys, $100 for this. I did. I really did. Ty, I paid $100 for this.
Okay. It doesn't look quite as sheer as the black one.
It is a sheer, actually.
It's also a shirt instead of a dress.
But
Same brand?
No, it's a different brand. It's expensive, isn't it?
It's super expensive.
Like, that's crazy.
How does it feel?
It feels nice.
Nicer than the black one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Still too much. It was originally $130 according to the tag. I guess it's the brand, honey. It's all in the brand. But yeah, hella overpriced. I mean, I don't think she was selling it for overpriced since she's selling it for cheaper than what the retail value is. I just think in general, that's expensive. All right, so now that we have unboxed everything, I actually think all 4 pieces I got from Khloe are very beautiful. She has a really great style. I like how she dresses and her hair and makeup and all is really fabulous. So now let's cut to it and do some close-ups of the items. Let's do some close-ups. So first of all, we have the Inhabit light pink sheer top. As you guys can see, it's pretty sheer. Here is the tags that came on it, 100% cotton, and there's the price, $130 for this little tank top. How crazy, but I did pay $100 for it, so it's like I got $30 off. And yeah, I didn't really see any tears or weird details to it, so this is pretty much the tee on the tank top. As you guys can see, there's some marking and fuzzies and little hair. Oh my gosh, there's so much on this. Wow, okay. The inspection. I am the fashion inspector, I guess. I feel kind of weird inspecting this, but here you have it, little markings. And so now we're gonna try it on. Okay guys, here is the piece from Perla, that super fancy robe that I showed you. So here is the tag. Look at that price, that's so crazy. And there's the US medium size. This is again, one of those super fancy designer brands. Guys, look at the detailings on the sleeve. This is what I was talking about. How crazy is that? There's the little tag in it, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Kind of shocking in my opinion. Like the price. Whew. Alrighty guys, and this is the last piece here. We have the Cotton Citizens neutral sweatshirt, and just to show you guys what the inside feels like. I really like that material. I think it's super cute, super expensive. And then here is just the tags, which doesn't have the price on it, so I'll put a similar product on the screen. And we're gonna try it on. Aaron, how much do you think this tank top cost me? It's Khloe Kardashian's, by the way.
Jesus. I wanna say $150.
It was $100.
Oh my God. For just this?
Yes, girl.
This?
Not this.
I mean, it's nice, but $100?
It ain't $100 nice.
No. I mean, it's cute though. It looks nice, comfy.
I mean, it's comfy, you know. It's
pretty
cute.
color.
It's pretty plain, so it's not like not much to speak on, but.
Like $100? Oh, baby, no.
And this is what it looks like on. Okay, wait. We're just gonna keep the footage rolling while I try on. So this is the Perla, which is a super fancy.
Oh, this is really pretty.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
It's a gown.
Okay.
Am I really about to unbutton all these?
Just unbutton a couple and then slip it on.
Okay.
To get that little big noggin through it.
Oh! Have the robe on. It has really pretty detail.
Oh my goodness, I love this detailing.
Isn't that nice?
So good. You guys like our nails?
Girl.
We
got them the longest.
Anyways, but oh, look. Ooh. So nice and beautiful and flowy.
How much do you think it costs?
Oh, if you say it's a really nice brand, it looks really pretty,
nice.
all the detailing, I want to say like 200 something. No.
450.
Ooh.
So much. Guys, it was originally almost $1,000 though.
I mean, it's really pretty, but $400.
A little shook it.
I'm a little bit shook.
But it is nice. It's really pretty. It feels brand new. I don't see any markings or anything like that. So, you know, I guess you could say I got a good deal for it, but some would beg to differ. Next piece, we have the plain sweatshirt. Is it from Target or Khloe Kardashian's closet? We don't know. You can't tell a difference.
I see you already got some makeup.
Did I?
Mm-hmm.
Let me look. Oh, Lord.
Guys. Girl didn't
That
even
was
have
me.
it for 3 seconds.
That was me.
That was her.
Or was it Khloe?
No, it was you.
Or was it Khloe?
Don't blame this on her.
All right, it was me.
Girl, how much was
I think
this?
this was $150. Crazy, right? Crazy!
The most I spend for something like that is 50.
50?
Maybe like
I mean, it depends on if it's like nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look like it was $150. That's my point.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like on.
I mean, it's so plain and simple.
Simple. You guys, Aaron's hating on my dress because my butt's hanging out.
I mean, it's a beautiful dress, and girl, wear that dress however love you want to.
She is so much taller than me. She must have wore this as a shirt.
She had to because
it has a tear in it, Aaron.
Oh my God, it does. Maybe she wore this a lot.
I think so. It looks really warm.
It seems really comfortable, so for sure.
I put this robe on so you wouldn't see my butt.
Girl, let us see those booty cheeks. Come on, don't be shy.
But, you know, I would prefer to wear this more so as a shirt.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's cute. How much was this?
Ty, how much was this? It's like 100 and something.
All right. I mean.
That one I think was closer to 200.
What?
Ooh.
Maybe.
Pretty sure.
I can never remember.
Oh my goodness, Laura. I mean, it's cute. It's really short.
Y'all in this house act like I bought this to wear it out. I bought it for my series.
Nah.
My series.
She bought this to go out on town.
Yeah.
Let's see them booty cheeks. Booty.
Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the dress. It's questionable the price, but that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Be sure and comment your thoughts down below. I'll be interested to read that I'm an idiot for buying all this stuff. Be sure to subscribe before you leave and hit the like button if you did enjoy this video and got a kick out of it. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.